Palagunok ongetorri Lasto Txapelen kanalera, ongetorri Gotham Knights. Honekin eta aurrekoan egon ginen apur bat ontzen mehatzegia aztertzen eta bar, eta borroka egin genuen Hunter batzuen kontra eta distantziako eraso bortitzekin soilik irabazia zitezkenak, zaitu ginen borroka normal egiten, baina asko ere abilezia handiagoa zuten gu egiteko. Eta zaiatuko gara gauden tokitik ies egiten, txikin ditu honor erretzen. Itzi genuen ate bat. Hori da. Eta gauden gainera ontzen trajearekin. Vale, hemendik badirudi ez dago lezer. Jarraitu behar dugu, saiatu garelako beltzen.
Probably debris from the cave-in.
Halako basulo bat. Zerak entzuten dira iluntasunean, agian balrok bat.
Not out of the woods yet.
Guazen gora kontuz. Estolderietan gaude. Bai, horrela. Vale, bera.
Please tell me that's a way out.
Gauzatxoak. Hala, te bat.
Belfry, you there?
We seem to have you back, Batgirl. Are you all right?
I'm fine. The court is mining some strange substance, and it looks a hell of a lot like... Belfry, you're cutting out. Belfry?
You take forever to do the simplest of tasks. We have things to discuss. Come find me.
girl knows what she's doing.
Eser dion Talia Al-Ghulek. Ras Al Ghulen alabak.
The Court of Owls is watching. From inside of Gotham's walls. They lurk in every shadow. And they rule you. One and all.
You used us. You knew about the court and waited for us to do the dirty work for you.
When I was still part of the League, we observed the court's growth in Gotham. Now you can see the city's rotten core.
They call what they're mining Dionysium. But it looks like it's from a Lazarus pit.
A foul substitute for the true miracle. A contaminated extract. For centuries, the court has been looking for a fountain of youth. Instead, they found the makings of undying monsters.
So those talons... that's what they're using to create them. So why not make a trade? A Lazarus pit for their science. You'd have a loyal army without ever recruiting another ninja.
Even in their current debased state, the League would never descend to such banality. And the court's greed and corruption prevent them from ever mastering the secrets of the Lazarus Pits.
Of course! You get to use the Lazarus pits because you're so generous and kind.
Oh, those are some harsh words. I gave you back your friend, Jason.
I knew it. And I know you didn't do it as some kind of favor to me, or Bruce.
I suppose gratitude was too much to expect in exchange for another stab at life.
He didn't ask for your help, Talia. None of us did.
With Bruce gone, the court's operation grows. The League of Shadows will raze Gotham to the ground unless you silence the court.
Just spit it out, Talia. You want the voice gone, and you want to use us to do it for you. But what do you get out of it?
I'll do what I can to distract the League. And your path to the Court of Owls will be clear.
Ni rehabilitator nahi dut.
Oh, now I get how Montoya feels.
Bai. Gorde da, aurrera.
Hey Alfred, did the city records turn up anything?
They didn't. According to the city permits, there's been no mining in Gotham City since the Cauldron was completed.
Judging from what we found last night, they've been digging down there for centuries.
Give this a listen, Alfred. Babs managed to repair some of the court voice recordings.
Dionysium brought the Talons back to life.
Sort of. Dionysium's basically weak as hell Lazarus Pit water. Brings back motor functions, but free will's as good as gone.
So what is a Talon exactly? Some kind of feral zombie assassin?
We've all seen weirder shit. Maybe.
Feral zombie. Sounds like Jason, all right.
I recognize a voice. The older woman is Constance Cobblepot, I'm fairly certain.
And the others?
More difficult to say. Maybe if I heard them in person.
In person. Tim, put the waveforms on the screen.
It's hard to find a match with all the damage and voice modulation. Maybe the matching system would have better luck if...
We match what we have against the live voices.
Fun, but how do we find these jackasses?
2 words. Orchard Hotel.
The Masquerade. The event of the season. This year's dedicated to Master Bruce.
Gotham's rich dress up and pretend they're humanitarians. I've been a few times.
So it's Dirtbag Central.
With so many of Gotham's elite together, security at the Masquerade will be tight. Finding out their plans first would give you an important advantage.
I'll tweak our masks to record telescopic audio.
If we can get a good vantage point, we may be able to put some faces to these mystery voices.
Sounds like our kind of party. There's new stuff on the board.
I leveraged a mutual acquaintance. The head of security for the Orchard Hotel, Mr. Hendricks, has agreed to a meeting. The details are pinned to the evidence.
A ver, entrenamendua. Hogin genuen. Esan hau egitera.
Physical and mental preparation go hand in hand. Here, we can train the mind to prepare the body, but it requires deep focus. Let go of your pain, and pay attention to my voice. Time your dodge to create an opening for a powerful counterattack.
Something there? Looks like I just caught that.
Vale. Vale.
As expected. Well done.
Pentsa gehiago.
In the heat of battle, remember to not rush. Time your strikes well to build momentum in the fight.
Vale.
Well, shit!
I expect no
Vale.
less.
Eta azkenengo da.
Some enemies will see an opening and unleash a flurry of attacks. But with the right counter, you can put them on the defensive.
What's that? Nice! That girl's here! This isn't gonna go your way, hero! You're going down!
Vale.
You're ready to move on. Jim would be proud of you.
Vale.
I've always...
Not only is the court real, but so are Talons.
I thought they'd be more, I don't know, intelligent? They're supposed to be the court's greatest weapon.
It's more difficult to control someone capable of free will.
Or anyone able to think at all?
Don't forget that you have a rendezvous with Mr. Hendricks.
Acknowledge, Belfry.
Guazen galetik apurua patruiatzera.
Remember that we're on the same side.
Bueno, guazen mango herriro. Zenetan hartzen dugun.
Somewhere around here. Can't let them spot me. Belfry, this thing needs to get somewhere cold fast.
I've taken the liberty of contacting Dr. Tompkins, sending you her coordinates.
Es el Duco. Venga.
Thank you. I'll get this exactly where it needs to go. It's not safe out here. You should head home.
Goazen bat gel. Más Hendrix. Guazeman.
Port has Hendrix. They can't have gone far.
Multiple reports of suspicious activity.
And that's Hendrix.
We need officers near the Gotham Naval Research Facility.
Ow.
Like a bat out of hell.
Bueno. Se puede ser a esta altura que llego Bartudala.
Court goons. Hendrix has to be here somewhere. Let's do this again.
We're going to the...
You're done. You can't defeat us!
I had a
Whoa.
feeling this day was coming. You wouldn't believe the things that I heard at the hotel.
The court probably wanted to make sure you didn't talk.
Shit, they're real? That explains the masks. Look, one of my guys was feeding them info. And you know what? You should probably have all the same intel too.
Thanks. This is incredibly helpful.
This city is going to the birds, I swear.
Belfry, Hendricks is safe and sound. I have the data as well.
Excellent. Please return to the Belfry so we can evaluate next steps.
Cosa manca? Vale.
I've uploaded the data we got from Hendricks. It should be ready soon. I've seen Bruce make that same face when he got stuck on a case. What's on your mind?
Everything starts with Ra's al Ghul attacking Batman, but I can't figure out how it connects.
You've never had to fight the League, have you? Ra's was a fanatic. He formed the League of Shadows centuries ago to root out corruption all over the world.
His philosophy, if you want to call it that, is that he should destroy things to build them back up. He's wiped out multiple cities over the centuries.
He set his sights on Gotham. Batman stopped him. He was impressed, so he named Bruce his heir.
That suddenly, even though Bruce said no thanks.
But it meant Ra's left Gotham alone. That is until he showed up and... Bruce.
Ryan says Ra's was behaving erratically when he died.
Yeah. I put money on that not being the whole story.
Hang on. What if our starting point is earlier? Batman died while he was investigating the Court of Owls.
You think Ra's found out about it? But why come after his heir?
Ra's cares about two things. Rooting out corruption and protecting the Lazarus Pits. So if the court was using an extract from the pits to create talents...
Ra's blows a gasket, steps in himself. Things escalate. Both he and Bruce end up dead.
And without Batman keeping a lid on Gotham's corruption, the court starts to stretch its wings.
The League follows Ra's to Gotham, and there's nobody to stop them from attacking the court.
Gotham City becomes ground zero for a goddamn war.
And no Batman to save it.
I guess that's our job now.
Yeah. It is. And we know what we need to do. We root out the court, and we keep the League away from Gotham.
I really miss it.
Vale.
Excellent. The drive Mr. Hendricks provided us contains exactly what we need. I've set up a safe house for Mr. Hendricks. His original one was compromised, but he'll be all right now.
Glad to hear it.
Bai. Oh. Mazen ez da gehiago. Mazemak.
I've reached the Orchard Hotel.
The balcony door should be open. That's your entry point.
A penthouse. You went all out on this one, Belfry.
Let's not make a habit of this. We don't have access to Bruce's credit cards anymore. I'm seeing an odd energy signature in the area. Maybe worth investigating.
Oh, wow. It's you.
Officers requested by the Falcone residence. There's been reports of suspicious activity.
Hurry it up, rookie. Let's get this done.
Coming along. Let's go! Back girl here!
Hey, go get her!
What's the matter? Afraid of a stand-up fight?
Found it.
At least I dodged! Get it together!
All right. Got it. Aw, they're almost cute when they're sleeping.
requested near Sheldon Hill and Crown Point. We have reports of gang activity.
We need this package to make a statement. Got it?
Watch this.
Get down! Watch your shoe!
I'll take that. Gotcha. Found it. You really ought to learn some new moves.
Nee, ze doet nice. I don't know what's that. Ja, uste dut bake dena naizen.
About time you showed up.
Batgirl at your service. And what should I call you?
If I don't need to know your real name, you don't need to know mine. I got grandkids to think about. You can just call me Madame Palomares.
All right, Madame Palomares. I got your message. You said you had some information for me?
I do. What I'm about to tell you is highly confidential. There's a group of us. People who want to see real change in Gotham. We call ourselves The Watch.
Sounds serious.
I started the group years ago when I got fed up with all the bad apples in this town.
Like someone else I know.
I reached out to Batman for help. He wasn't too sure about us at first, but I showed him that having eyes on the ground could be useful. So we started giving him tips to help him keep our neighborhood safe. He told me that if he ever went quiet for this long, that I should reach out to you.
I'm glad you did. I promise. I'll do everything I can to keep your neighborhood safe.
I'll spread the word to the other members of the Watch. He is missed, but the entire Watch has your back. We can do this. Together. Bye, dear.
Bueno, no se nos rueda. Noski, sendariak beti izentzeko prest. Bai, poliziak ez gaituzte asko maite, baina ere ez dira asko egiten saiatzen.
Belfry, I'm in. Time to find some owls.
Remember to find a safe place to eavesdrop in the ballroom. If security sees you, you're toast.
There's the ballroom. Looks like the party's in full swing.
I paid for 5-star service, not to smell plaster all day.
We're making some improvements, ma'am. I'll let the hotel manager know that.
You'd better.
You know what I'm thinking?
Everyone who matters is Dawson this year, and I have to be on my best behavior or else it seems up for both of us.
Vale, gorde da.
This must be the entrance. Why else would they put this here?
Again with your stupid theory? You saw the elevator. The hotel doesn't have a 13th floor.
Don't mind me.
We'll impress the voice tonight. I'm sure of it.
Belfry, I disabled the security systems.
Good job. The guards outside the control room were planted there by the courts, so you can punch with impunity.
We have it!
How can you be beating us?
An opening. Perfect. Belfry, I'm outside the ballroom. Heading in now.
Well done.
Vale.
I thought I told you that formal wear was required this evening. This is formal wear.
Did you sign the guest book? How could I not? I've got people to impress. Did you see some of the names in there? I did. Senators, judges, CEOs, even the mayor's here.
Look at this. Even in death, Wayne tries to outdo us. Let him have his final hurrah. After tonight, it won't be a problem. You're right. His death ought to be a celebration. What do you think this is?
Got a few matches. These people are going down.
Is this all they could muster for the great Bruce Wayne? It's embarrassing. When I go, it'll be a spectacle. Fireworks, dancers, ice sculptures, the works.
Have you been to the hotel's east staircase?
The one they sealed off? I hear it's haunted.
That's what I heard too. Strange noises, almost cries, and scratches in the walls. Ugh. Did you hear about Langstrom's assistant?
He deserved to be let go. Just like Kirk, people forget their place.
The voice remembers.
Still haven't found the voice yet.
What do you mean you won't see me? I'm the goddamn mayor.
I'm afraid his schedule won't permit it.
You tell Colonel Kane that I won't be frozen out. My office demands respect.
Of course it does, Mayor Sai. I'll relay your message. Hard to believe Bruce Wayne is gone. I know. I was hoping to be his date this year.
Business is good. Great, even. Who would have thought this would give the rest of us such a kick in the pants?
Sorry to interrupt, but it's time.
Of course. We'll have to continue this later.
That's a match.
Pillars of Gotham, may I please have your attention? It is my absolute pleasure to present our host for the evening.
That has to be the voice of the court. He's not even trying to be subtle.
Thank you all for the warm welcome. But tonight is not about me. We are here to remember one of Gotham's greatest sons, Bruce Wayne. Now, you all knew the Playboy. I knew his charity. A brash defender of Gotham's best. Though he's gone now, Bruce's contributions to this city will be felt for decades to come. This is for you, Bruce. The last of our precious Wayne family. You've helped us in ways you never realized. And may we, the surviving families of Gotham, strive to live up to your inimitable legacy.
Just found the voice of the court.
Good. Stay on him. We need to find out who he is.
Vale, con tus...
Sir, the labs are requesting more Dionysium to meet their production deadline.
I'm aware. Arrangements are being made. Let them know that I expect the quota to be met. No excuses.
Thank you, sir.
What is it? You know I can't take phone calls when I'm working. Mm-hmm. Yeah.
Every corner, they could be anything. Vigilante! What's she doing here? We're going to dispose of you, Batgirl.
Oh yeah, you're in trouble now.
To the darkness.
Ay. Hemendik nora goaz.
Are the arrangements made?
If it pleases the court.
Excellent. I'll see you downstairs.
Ay.
Batgirl, we just found a hidden 13th floor in the hotel blueprints. Maybe that's where the voice went.
Better not try it and risk triggering an alarm.
Hala.
This should take me to the 13th floor. Belfry, I found one of those weird court doors. This must be it.
Understood. Tread carefully.
Ah, gure gara.
court is hiding.
The Court of Owls is watching from inside of Gotham's walls. This is a literal truth as we build our perfect nests below the skins of our perfect city.
So where did the voice go? Belfry, any clue where to go from here? Belfry? Nothing. There must be a jammer in here.
Better see what is behind it. What might be trying to sneak up and strike.
Interesting. Looks like the voice called for a meeting. What were they looking at?
The ventilation was compromised. Found to be moonlighting for cockroaches. We eliminated him. Our allies...
Crap. The court really did kill Langstrom. If I can get this recording to a judge, it could be enough for a conviction.
There's still plenty to clean.
I recognize some of these names. These people are either dead or missing. Langstrom's in here too. This must be a hit list.
Only an owl of the court. So long as you remain loyal to the court.
Something's not. But it certainly cannot be underestimated. It is a predator.
Let's see what that was.
History of Gotham architecture. The court must have been involved in the construction of these buildings. Bet it has something to do with those dates on the wall. City Hall. I'd recognize GCPD Central anywhere. That's the courthouse. Getting closer, these all represent different kinds of power structures in the city. No wonder the court's interested in them.
Of course. I should have known it was you.
A ver.
It's high time we talk.
Well, where are you?
Go to the painting.
Vale.
So you made it here, all by yourself.
You think I'd let you destroy Gotham without a fight?
Destroy Gotham? Now we're trying to save her. Preserve her glory. I understand now the potential you could have to do the same.
You're not the first masked villain to try to sell me that one.
The only one hiding behind the mask is you, Miss Gordon.
Jacob? Kane? How?
I know. Just like I knew my nephew Bruce was out there, keeping the peace in his armored pajamas. Don't worry, I didn't tell anyone. Call it loyalty to Martha.
We all live double lives, trying to shelter the city from chaos. It's just, our court is quieter about it.
You're not protecting this city. You and your cult are using it as your personal playground.
Yeah, Batman would probably say the same thing in your position. That's why I never told Bruce about the court.
We have the same ends, the same enemies.
It's madness. You're not serving us.
Unlike you, I don't kill people.
A difference in tactics, I'll admit.
I know you killed Langstrom, then his assistant. Is that what you call protection?
Those who betray us will suffer for it. Langstrom betrayed the court.
Bruce fought for something bigger than himself. You just want power. He never would have allowed this.
Do not use my nephew against me.
I mourn Bruce. I want answers for his death, just like you.
Don't compare us, Jacob.
Understood.
I protected Bruce, but I won't protect you. If you won't join us, I'm afraid you'll have to join Langstrom.
Security breach. We're under attack in the ballroom. They came out of nowhere.
Clearly I have bigger problems right now.
Just stay out of my way. You won't like what happens next.
Crap. Have to get back to the ballroom. Let's do that.
no, please, don't!
Crap. Valkyrie, the League of Shadows is here.
Understood. Paramedics have been called.
I don't believe it! You there! You made a huge mistake!
Vale, gordetzen da pila bat.
It's a massacre!
Venga ya.
Okay, let's do this.
Bueno. Jarraitu ezagun.
Montoya, it's back home.
I take it you heard what happened at the hotel.
Actually, I was there.
Yeah? Then care to tell me who the hell those assassins were?
That was the League of Shadows. I'll send you everything we have on them. I don't want to do this, Clayface, but you're not giving me a choice.
It's a nightmare.
Agian armen indartsuagoak beharko ditugu.
Like you guys aren't even trying anymore.
Guess we're almost there, dispatch.
Have to get out of here.
Guazen moduak.
Units requested at the Dixon docks. There's reports of criminals moving possibly stolen goods.
Better do this quietly.
Alright.
That all you got? You messed with the wrong tool.
Caca. Hala, guazen. Vale, gorde da, betiko lez.
The slaughter of some of our best and brightest at the Orchard Hotel is a new low for the city of Gotham. It is time for the real heroes, the GCPD, to step up and restore order in our city. To take it back.
Yeesh. Surprisingly, Commissioner Kane isn't a match for any of the voices we collected. Hey!
She may not be a court member, but the Commissioner could still be helping them. She did marry Jacob.
Catherine is probably not aware of her husband's secret. I know Jacob well, and have never had even the slightest suspicion.
Colonel Asshole fooled everyone. Even Bruce.
The other people we matched at the ball. John Wycliffe, Isabella Haas, Maria Powers.
All killed at the hotel by the League.
Colonel Kane's the only member we know survived for sure. And probably Old Lady Cobblepot. She's unaccounted for.
And the court is clearly much bigger than Jacob Kane and Constance Cobblepot.
The almighty voice was right, you know. No one will believe a nursery rhyme's been pulling Gotham's strings for so long.
But people will believe that Jacob Kane conspired to murder Langstrom. We have the evidence to prove it. Let's get this to Detective Montoya. See if it's enough for her to build her case.
I'll be sure to include our list of known members, dead or otherwise.
We need to be careful about this. Jacob will be waiting for us to try something.
Someone should talk to Talia. The Court and the League are clearly out to kill each other.
And let's be ready when we're caught in between them.
I added new evidence to the board.
Catherine Kane isn't doing this city any favors.
Things are bad enough between the Court and the League without the cops stirring them up.
Our nights are about to get a lot more complicated.
Does the statue of my dad look like him?
No. Finally. Somebody else around here who's angry. Bruce is dead. The Court of Owls is real. The League of Shadows is running around Gotham. And you're all trying to pretend everything's normal.
This isn't just about the League. Or the Court. I can't remember Dad's face. Every time I think of him, he just looks like that stupid statue.
And?
And I have a photographic memory. Where I used to. How can I be Batgirl? Solve crime, fight bad guys. If I can't trust my own brain.
You stay angry. And you aim that anger square at every wrong in the world. At least that's what I do. But then...
Thanks, Jason.
No problem. Batgirl.
Bai.
We've tracked Talia to a parking garage downtown, sending you the location now.
از شکار کردن من
Did you know? Because your league killed a lot of people at that ball.
Does this look like my league? Did they decapitate the court? Did you?
No. The voice managed to escape during the fight.
Then the league will keep attacking, regardless of collateral damage.
The court's not gonna let that slide. They'll fight back. How many people will have to die while they wage war in Gotham?
Countless. The league will decimate the city. And the court is preparing something even more impressive.
Which is?
Langstrom wrote that living subjects could create more powerful talents. I don't want to be around when they get out.
Anything else you'd like to share about Langstrom?
As much as I'd liked our chats, Gotham is getting decidedly unfriendly. Don't come looking for me.
Belfry, tell me you got that.
Yeah, we got even bigger and badder talents coming for us.
I think it's time we hit our sources. See if they know anything.
Benetan.
Better luck next time.
Eyes out! Some cakes here!
pasa nada.
Damn it, don't do... Was wondering when you'd show up.
Wanted to give you enough time to go through the files I sent.
Some pretty serious shit here. A secret society that controls Gotham, with Jacob Kane at the head?
Don't forget a healthy dose of murder.
I'd say you were off your game, if it didn't make so much damn sense. I've seen so many shady things over the years, and this explains every single one of them.
So let's put a stop to it, once and for all.
Too many corrupt cops on the force for me to just arrest him. If I had someone I could actually trust on the case, might be able to get some solid evidence.
You've got someone you can trust. Let me find out which ones you can't. Belfry, Montoya asked that we take care of some cops who've been helping the court hide their existence. I got it.
Copy that.
I gotta hand it to you. You're doing a better job at policing than most police.
Still alive? Good for you.
Here comes Vigilante!
Pasen niveles y ordenamos.
Huh, where's Batgirl going?
Need officers to investigate near the Tricorner Armory. There's been reports of suspicious activity.
Make this fast. Find this asshole before they do any more damage.
It's on! Batgirl came back!
I found us.
I want... Let's pick it up a notch!
Got company.
This'll make you feel great!
Get back here.
You gave up quick! That ain't fair. Batgirl's back again! Get your ass up! Oh yeah! Don't mind if I do. Found it. I'm sure they tried their best.
Vale, Baseman. Baseman.
Oh, my. Madame Palomares said I'd be hearing from you. I'm Charlotte.
You look really familiar. Do we know each other?
My wife and I donate to a number of charities around town. She's quite well off. I'm an artist, so I didn't exactly start out that way.
What brings you to the Watch?
I love my wife, but some of her friends, they live in a different world than the rest of us. They report the pettiest crimes and get away with far worse things themselves.
But the cops won't listen to you.
No. Before the Watch, the only other person I could talk to was Bruce Wayne. And now he's... Bruce told me I could use my connections to actually do some good for the city. Like he did with the Martha Wayne Foundation. And then somehow I found myself talking to Batman. And now you.
Glad to have you on board. How can I help?
Take care. Nothing new on my end.
Baseman.
Have a good night.
Saiatu gara.
Stay on your guard in there, Batgirl.
lights out for you. Playing. Had enough? Fight's over for you. There's more of them coming.
What? A vigilante.
What? Never seen a crime fighter before? Criminal school? Huh. Why do they always have to do things the hard way?
Allora, cosa manca? Bye. Vale.
Miss Gordon, it's lovely to see you back.
According to the police reports, the GCPD didn't find a single bomb.
They must have picked up their friends before the cops landed. What about prints? Fibers? DNA?
There were hundreds of
Talia warned us this would happen, but I didn't think it'd be so public. They're coming for the court, and they won't stop until they've...
Vale. Arriesgo dugu hemen.
I know they're here! Check the shadows! They're hiding, but they're here! Hey, I've got background here!
Saw that opening a mile away. Should have ducked. More regulators are probably inside. Time to find out what they're after.
I don't know, what's that?
Better stay out of sight. Another lab. Wonder what Freeze is up to.
So we built Freeze's machine in here.
Cool, right?
And we can take whatever we want?
Yep.
I feel like a kid in a transistor store.
Sweet dreams. Banging. Is someone alive in there? Someone put a lot of work into reinforcing this door. Whatever they were keeping back there must have been worth protecting.
Hemen goian zer topatzen dugun.
Scientist. Looks like they killed him. Why was he trying to get to this console? In this lab must have been pretty important. ID card. Dr. Kalen Lee. Freeze takes no prisoners. other scientists dead. What are you playing at, Free? The ID card on this body says Dr. Theodore Upshot, head of cryogenic research.
Back to the darkness.
Victor did what he did, despite the dangers. I can say that I only enabled him, but I also absolutely enabled him. That's guilt right there. The machine we built is unstable, untested. Of course, I insisted on a failsafe. A disruptor for the likely event that Victor uses the machine to play God. The disruptor made Victor mad. He asked if I had lost faith. I hid the thing instead of destroying it because I fear him. Almost as much as I fear the potential of what we've created. And if you're listening to this, please, forgive me.
Dr. Upshot hid some kind of failsafe in his office. Might be worth a look. Now, to find his office.
Berlatzen gora.
Bet that failsafe is still here somewhere. Hidden floor compartment? Belfry. Looks like the scientist who built Freeze's machine also built a disruptor. Think this might be what we need to take him down. I'm bringing it in.
Good work. We'll wait for you back at the Belfry.
Oh, vale.
Welcome.
Non dago Alfred.
So, the League finally sent their assassins after the court.
Talia warned us this would happen, but I didn't think it'd be so public.
The League usually prefers to avoid the spotlight, but this time they wanted to send a message.
They're coming for the court, and they won't stop until they've wiped out all corruption from Gotham.
Ah, vale, me da igual.
Someone.
Did you find anything else about Mr. Freeze at Quartz Labs?
No, but at least we have the disruptor. I don't know what Freeze is planning, but he was willing to kill Dr. Upshot to keep it a secret.
If we could track down what Freeze took from the lab, it would give us a better idea of what we're dealing with.
Babs.
What do you mean?
You know.
Just to be safe, I'm going to see what I can find in the city records.
I was kidding.
You put the idea in my head, now I have to be certain.
Goddamn ninjas. Goddamn talents. They all just make me wanna... do what? A proper investigation, followed by reasonable arrests and handing the perps over to the authorities.
Ay.
All units, shootout in progress at Elliott Center.
Multiple accidents. Too many. We can't respond to them all.
Is there something in the weather report about an ice age?
Be advised, extreme weather event in progress.
Temperatures have fallen 60 degrees in just minutes. An extreme cold front?
Weather doesn't do that. Not without some help.
Freeze. Freeze can make weather now?
Freeze can make weather now.
The storm is localized around Elliott Center. We need to get there now.
Vale. Itxaron.
Belfry? Elliott Center's encased in ice. Whatever's causing this is localized at the top. Definitely Freeze's handiwork. I'm going to get closer.
All units at Elliott Center, air support inbound. Hostiles opening fire on upper floors. Air support, can you do a fly around? On it!
GCPD can't do this on their own.
I'm sure you can help even the odds.
Hala.
Drop your weapons or we will open fire. Returning fire. All clear for now.
The storm is getting worse. I recommend you find a way inside Elliott Center quickly.
The GCPD chopper made that part easy.
No, wasn't.
Belfry. The GCPD is pulling back the helicopter due to the severity of the storm.
Copy that, Belfry. It's up to us now. Belfry! What was that?
The weight of the ice may be making the building unstable.
Copy that. Gotta get to that weather machine.
You better move.
Shit is down.
Gordetzen dago.
If anyone asks, I meant to do that. wars were still going on when Freeze came through.
There was nothing they could do to stop him.
Wasn't. Bueno.
Safest time to take the elevator.
Do you really want to go up all those stairs?
These cables on the floor. Guaranteed they lead to Freeze. Belfry, status.
Countless dead, and the temperature's still falling.
We need to stop this, now. Almost there.
I see the weather machine, ready with the disruptor.
Be careful, that machine is siphoning a lot of power.
Field disruptors in place.
Vale.
It's charging.
Lehen nagusi borroka. Bai.
Get away from from my storm engine!
Is that what you're calling it? You don't want to be on this roof when the disruptor goes off, trust me.
Irrelevant! I already have what I need! A storm has risen over Gotham. Nothing can stop it!
We'll see about that.
My hand. I will enjoy destroying you. This ends with your death. I will enjoy watching you freeze up here. I will enjoy watching you freeze up here. I am more powerful than you can ever imagine.
온다고?
Watch as Gotham falls to my feet. You cannot run from me. There is nowhere to run. You will not stop me. You lack the strength to stop me. Gotham falls to my feet. Now you will know my suffering. I hope pity you. Behold my power.
Hey!
Gotham is doomed. You will die here. Nothing will stop me. You will die up here. Run from me! And she thinks she's Batman. Now you will know my suffering. I will destroy you. I am more powerful than you can ever imagine. cold will take you. You were freed by my hand. This ends with your death. There is nowhere to run. You have already lost. You lack the strength to stop me. Do you see my power? Behold my power! And she thinks she's Batman. I will enjoy watching you freeze up here. Gotham is doomed. I will enjoy destroying you. I almost pity you. You will die here. The cold will take you. And she thinks she's Batman. What if Gotham falls to my feet?
Hey.
This ends with your death. You cannot run from me.
Oh, Jesus. So.
You will die up here. Behold my power.
Venga ya.
Do you see my power? Now you will know my suffering. There is nowhere to run. Gotham is doomed. You lack the strength to stop me. You were freed by my hand. Batman promised my cure. He was not wise to break that promise.
Batman's gone, but he wanted to help you.
I found another way. One that demands chaos before the cure.
The disruptor pulse will overload everything, including your suit.
You dare goad me!
I'm trying to warn you.
A Gotham without the Batman!
yourself to the cold. You cannot run from me. And keep me the chief of Batman. There is nowhere to run. I will enjoy destroying you.
Es.
You will die up here. Now you will know my suffering. You have already lost. Behold my power.
Es. Benetan.
I am more powerful than you can ever imagine. I will enjoy watching you freeze up here. I will destroy you. And you're dead. You will die up here. You will not stop me.
Ez, benetan, negatuko nago hemen.
The field disruptor is nearly charged. I'm afraid there isn't much time until the pulse triggers.
Behold! Gotham without Batman! A disaster! A lost cause! The cold will crush you!
Venga ya. Ah, bueno.
Did you think you could escape me? You will die up here! And keep me to keep Batman! Now you will know my suffering!
Ez erik asmatu behar du beti, hostia, joder.
You will die here!
Claro, asmatzen du, zeu zurrengatik.
Behold my power!
Zidazu.
Gotham is doomed! I almost pity you! I am more powerful than you can ever imagine! You cannot run from me!
Venga.
You lack the strength to stop me!
nowhere to run. Nothing will stop me. You have already lost. You have already lost. Begin with your death. The cold will take you. You will free by my hand. I will enjoy destroying you. I am more powerful than you can ever imagine. Do you see my power? You will die here. Gotham is doomed. What if Gotham falls to my feet? I will destroy you. Behold my power.
Asiatik beti asmatu behar du.
The cold will take you.
The field disruptor is nearly charged. I'm afraid there isn't much time until the pulse triggers.
Behold! Gotham without Batman. A disaster. A lost cause. You will all freeze. Gotham must suffer.
A ver. ¡Eh! ¡Vaya! Observa.
Yourself to the cold.
Damn it, Freeze! There's no time to play around!
Let I finish this.
Hágate una berrera, ¿está?
Now you will know my suffering.
Vengo.
Gotham is doomed. It ends with your death. You will die up here.
Venga. Déjame ahorrarles una tirada. Oye. ¡Hostia!
You cannot run from me.
Ah, me no dia seguines. Venga ya. Hala. Zergatik asmatu behar du beti. Netan, Beti agatu behar nauzu. Me cago en su puta madre.
Damn it, Freeze! There's no time to play around.
Can I finish this?
Bueno. Vete asmatu behar du.
Falls to my feet. Gotham is doomed. Watch as Gotham falls to my feet. Watching you freeze up here. You have already lost. Nothing will stop me. I will destroy you. You lack the strength to stop me. You will not stop me. Watch as Gotham falls to my feet. I will enjoy watching you freeze up here.
Azkenean. Asko sufritu dugu. Asko sufrituko dut.
Why didn't you listen?
System overload. Cryogel cycling offline. Hard reset required.
You're lucky this thing was built with a failsafe. Brace yourself.
System reset successful. Cryogel cycling online.
Freeze! Can you hear me?
You should have let me die. It would have been so so much easier for you.
The weather machine is offline and the storm is clearing.
He said I should have let him die, but it sounded like a threat.
Victor always had the potential to bring disaster to Gotham. Until tonight, a kernel of humanity stopped him.
And now, we are that humanity.
Uff. Hemen asko sufritu dute,
Back so soon, Miss Golden?
Ba, beno lagunok hau izan da dena, espero dut gustoko esan zeizuela, eta hurrengoan gehiago,